Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Claudette and I am your Jamaican gypsy granny. Now today I'm going to introduce you to 4 free beaches that are close to the area that I live in. It starts somewhere in Runaway Bay, just a little bit down from where I live, and we take you all the way till just before you enter Ocho Rios. Now these beaches are close by, and one would think that living so close to the beach, I'd be out there splashing up and having fun. But nah, I don't go to the beach that much anymore, and I think I'd like to start doing it again because it is an activity that I used to enjoy doing that I put off. Anyway, this, my dear fellas, ladies and gentlemen, children, everybody who watching, this is Flavors Beach. It is a very popular beach, and usually when you come here it's very hard to find a space. Now I guess I'm a bit early because I came out early, and you know it's after the holidays. There's not that many people, but this is what you would normally find if you go down to Flavors Beach. And isn't it beautiful? So in front of the beach, all right, hold on, we're in front of the beach yet? No, all right, so this is the restaurant. They do have a restaurant there where you can buy your fish, bami, and all things lovely. Of course, they offer local dishes with burgers, pizza, and everything. Across the road, this is outside of the beach across the road. And yeah, this is just, you know, what you'd see outside of the road. I'm going to take a bus now and head into the other beach. But I don't think you'll see the bus journey from this section. All right, so here now, here we are at Sharkies. Sharkies is a very popular restaurant. It's located on the Salem Beach, but I think most people forget that the beach is called Salem Beach. Everybody just refers to it as Sharkies. The beach that it's on is a free beach. It's open to the public, and you can go over there at any time to have a swim. But this lovely restaurant has been there for a long time. They host a lot of events, and the food there is delicious. It's a very romantic spot. You can go there for dates and whatever. So this is Sharkies. If you say Sharkies, once you say Sharkies, everybody knows where you're talking about down here in Runaway Bay, because this spot is so popular. It's empty right now because, you know, it's early in the day. You know, I came out very early in the morning to avoid having the problem of putting people in my video that did not want to be there. If you look to the side here, coming right up right now there, this is attached to Fisherman's Beach, which is it's not so much a beach, and it's not Fisherman's Beach, sorry. It's just where all these boats, you see all these boats here? These fishermen go out, and a lot of people come here to buy fish. Before I take you into the fishing village, if you notice right here, we have a lot of shops outside that they buy fish and, you know, other types of seafood from the vendors, and they prepare them and sell them here. I have never bought food here, so I cannot tell you how much it costs. This area is run by the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries that monitors the place. Over here now, this is another drinking spot, even though that's not what we're focusing. That there is called a lighthouse, and that is where I go to the gym to exercise after I eat all this fish and bami and all of that. So see here we have it's not a beach really, because no one comes here to swim. This is where the vendors come in. I guess they camp out here, some of them. I never had a chance to speak to anyone because no one wanted to be on video, but I can tell you that they go out to fish and come and sell right there. Now we have just come up to Fantasy Beach. Unfortunately, I did not get the opportunity to stop into the beach, so these are just stock footage from Fantasy Beach. And this is another popular spot. They have events here very often, a lot of dance, they bring people. Pearly Beach is another popular free beach that also hosts events. And, you know, during the holidays, things are really very tight with parking. They mess up the traffic all the time. So if you're ever coming to Ocho Rios or heading to Negril or Montego Bay during the holidays, check if there are any parties going on, because the traffic will be horrible. So you just make sure you prepare for long drives or long waiting in the traffic. All right. Now the next free beach that we're going to look at is Little Dunn's River. It's a favorite spot of mine. It is the extension of Dunn's River that goes under the road and comes out on the other side. It's absolutely free. There's not a lot of beach space, but the falls are just as spectacular, and you can get a relaxing time. See how beautiful it is? I really love to come here. Fisherman's Beach, which is close to Ocho Rios, so the last beach before all of them start being in Ocho Rios, is another spot where you have fishermen that go out and come in with their wares, and they supply the vendors who sell at the shops. Unfortunately, I did not get a chance to go there this occasion around. These are pictures of me while I was there one long time ago. And you know, they do have the fishermen come in, the vendors come in. The beach is not that great, but you can go down there and fish. They are developing it a lot, and a lot of the vendors up there are very friendly. Their food is good, the price is reasonable, so go check it out. All right, so here we are passing through St. Anne's Bay. This here is not a regular beach as such, but people will go over there to fish and stuff. All right, now let's go into Ocho Rios. As you can see with all these buses, it appears there's a cruise ship in port. Now, I really wish that I had the opportunity, and one of these days I'm going to get down on the ground and go and try to get some interviews with our tourists. But you see all the buses here lined up. I think coming up, yeah, there it is, the cruise ship. That is a cruise ship port. I don't see, you can see where they disembark right here. No, I don't think we'll be able to see it from out here. What's the name of the ship? The Ada. Ocho Rios brings in a lot of cruise ships per year. I think you get about 86,000 people coming off of the ship each quarter. One of these days, I'm going to try to go down there and see if I can grab an interview with some of these tourists to get their opinion on Jamaica and what it's like to visit here. Now, as you can see, the tourists are walking in. They usually walk from the cruise ship to the main street where they go down, and they can go to the craft market and all of that. Sometimes they will have a pre-booked tour that they will take. Hopefully one day when my tour business gets off, I'll have some of them booking with me to go do a tour. So this is it. We are now coming up to the end of the video, and I would love for you, if you found this video interesting, to please give me a subscribe, give me a like, leave a comment, tell me what you want to see, because it is a struggle trying to find content for you. Tell me what you want to see, what you want me to talk about, and also remember to tap that notification bell so you get notified the next time I post a video. I am your Jamaican Gypsy Granny. Thank you for watching. Safe travels, and see you next time. Bye.